Hey guys, so it's Eric Green here. I am ostensibly the author of the Automation Guide, but it's really bringing in the partners that you need to know about. And so, in continuing this whole series, I'm sitting here with my friend Luke Frye from Canopy. I was just actually out in Salt Lake at Canopy's headquarters, which, by the way, is unbelievable, and on their podcast. And so the Canopy has come a long way. We were talking a little bit about this. Now, I'm older than Luke, but I met the founder of Canopy when it was just a resolution. Um, Not to rhyme, a resolution solution. And it's just ballooned into so much more than that. So first of all, Luke, by the way, Luke is officially the accountant in residents at Canopy, which means that all the tech people need somebody who speaks accountant. I just think it's funny. But
I
thanks for
do.
taking the time to do this.
Yeah, no, I'm really happy to join you here, and it was great to have you out in Salt Lake. I equally am enamored with the office at Canopy. Working remotely for 10 years and now being in an office has been really a wonderful welcome surprise just to be in such a beautiful place with great people. And like you, I knew of Canopy when I had my own tax practice. I'm a CPA. I was the first accountant at bench. I was a pilot and puzzle. So I've been around and have seen a lot of ways different people get accounting done, both inside and outside of tech companies. And I first learned about Canopy being at some transcript tool. And I sort of wrote it off because I never did resolution work and I tried to avoid people who didn't have their prior year tax returns. And, until I was on their podcast at the beginning of the year, I didn't realize how much progress they've made. And they've really taken what I recommend to anyone starting and running an accounting firm, recording calls, billing automatically, setting up automated engagement letters, doing automated delivery. And now with this launch of the new CoWorker feature, which is an embedded secure AI,
Yes.
we're really bringing the best of all the solutions I've seen all under one umbrella.
Yeah, and so I think for folks who aren't familiar with Canopy, um, why don't you, if you can, because it's now it's a lot more than just a resolution tool. In fact, I'd almost go as far as say, I don't even know that they're even known for resolution. They've really become practice management. So if you could just explain what Canopy is.
Absolutely. So I would say one way to think of it is a CRM, so customer relationship management system, but it also does so much more than that. It manages workflow as well. And I would even go as far to say is, historically they've been known as a tax practice management solution. And in reality, we have now a connection with QuickBooks, so you can pull in all of that information and manage your bookkeeping workflow or your CAS workflow, as well as your tax. So it's both for tax, CAS, any sort of customer relationship management that you need to do. One of the biggest things that has really been resonating with me through clients I've worked with and customers we have is just the ability to have visibility into your workload capacity for capacity planning and hiring, as well as just like, hey, do I have an employee or a co-owner who's siphoning off business? And if you have a CRM and you're connecting your emails, you have the transparency there to see what's going on. So you both create a good internal control from a communications point of view. You also create visibility and handoff ability. So now a one-person firm can grow much faster without having to repeat themselves or document a bunch of stuff because now the junior staff or the AI has access to the context of the meetings and where the client is so far.
Right, right. No, and so I'm almost wondering if that's how it developed, that people doing resolution found they needed all these other, because the advantage of this is you can run your whole practice. In other words, like we have RepWorks, which is our workflows, but and I've done this intentionally. We are only in Rep. I'm not competing with the Canopies and Taxum, all the other ones, because um there are some major players. I mean, we're not going to compete with Canopy. So we've stayed in that. But if you want to run your entire practice, you can do it with Canopy, right? Everything from all the workflows, all your clients, you have a CRM built in, so you don't need a separate CRM. This is really to take, this will take over your entire practice, whether it's accounting, tax preparation, your CRM. There's resolution. I mean, Canopy has not abandoned that. It's just now become so much more. And then there's CoWorker. And I remember it was the day before I actually met you guys. It hit, I think it was accounting today. And I'm like, huh, I gotta bring that up tomorrow because I'm gonna be there. And I was at GrowCon, which was in Salt Lake, and you can't go to Salt Lake and not visit Canopy. But no, what is for the folks listening? What is CoWorker?
Absolutely. It is essentially your best coworker. And so what that means is you can ask it to actually do things for you. It's what AI we always wanted it to be. Chatbots are great and getting a bunch of AI slop is fine if you want to pad some sort of an email, but in reality, we have jobs to do. We have work to get done. So that might be a pre-built prompt that we have set up for you, or it may be one that you create and you work with it just like you might with any of the other agents that are available out there to actually go out and perform tasks. So one of them might be, give me an example of all the calls this week that mentioned out of scope work. So there's more revenue for you. Give me an example of all the calls where there was negative sentiment. Maybe that's where a partner needs to get involved. Give me an example of a tax preparer who's missing deadlines or has the most outstanding tasks. Maybe that helps me inform capacity planning or maybe performance evaluation from there. But really any sort of data that you have living within Canopy, and that's sort of one of the premises is it is a bit of a walled garden right now. I know we're
Right.
working on our API and we're going to be releasing that, but security is one of the biggest concerns that I hear from any accountant when it comes to AI. And so if we have the AI embedded directly in the walls of Canopy, now all of a sudden you don't need to worry about, oh, I can't upload a tax return to an AI software because I don't want identifiable information out there that I then get sued for because it got trained on something or sent to the dark web.
You hit on a number of things I want to talk about. One, as an attorney, I'm watching daily headlines of accountants of attorneys getting into trouble because they're putting information out in AI. It is not secure. You're effectively waiving attorney-client privilege. Um, and of course, security is a concern. So what Canopy has built is you can have an AI employee, and I think you guys put it best when we were in the headquarters. Anything a human being can do in Canopy, the coworker can do, which is huge. Because in fact, I got to go talk to Canopy because we should build out the IRS employee, the IRS rep employee, because there are tasks that we have to do, right? Power of attorney, get this, submit this, that we've been looking at AI on our end. I don't understand why we can't just work with Canopy. A different conversation for a different person. But the point being that this gives you the opportunity in your practice to have an employee that can do everything, that's on 24/7 and will do it a lot faster. And so from our perspective, I'm only speaking about my firm, our use of this and our expansion into this isn't to replace our current people, but it allows us to do way more. Like, in other words, punch above our weight, as the old saying goes, right? We can do way more with the people we have. Like, our partners, we're not looking to replace our human. FedExes still need to go, clients still need to come in and sign. I mean, the human beings, and I've told two of them who came to me concerned, our human beings aren't going anywhere. But one, you can now be operating effectively 24/7. Client sends in something in the evening, the coworker can work. They're not sleeping, they're not on vacation. Two, it allows you now for the business owner to focus on what is important, which is go get more business, right? Um, That I think is going to be the biggest challenge is the product is now so good. And I run into this, can the CPA, EA, tax preparer, bookkeeper let go of the role that they were always in, which was managing everything and being able to complain to their friends that they're out of their mind, right? All of a sudden, you're going to have time to golf, or whatever. So I think that it's game changing. And the fact that Canopy has built it in the walls of Canopy so it is secure, huge, absolutely huge.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure we could talk for several hours about all of those things.
Right?
And you're right, AI is a ratchet. When coal was first out and we were using it and it was easier to mine, we didn't use less for heating. We found more reasons to use coal. And so I think the same thing is true for AI. We're not going to do less because we're more efficient. We're actually going to find more ways to help more people and create more value. So, I mean, any of the headlines around the layoffs, maybe there's an element of truth to that, but I think that's really just short-term thinking. And now, with these tools that are available, Accounting Today released one of I think the top 20, 25 firms, and there is a firm that was mentioned that's a one-person, $1 million firm.
Well, look, I mean, I'll be honest. Now, I have, I'm not a one person firm, but without CoWorker, I'm still on pace to originate, I don't know, 1.7 million for our firm. And I mostly deal with part-time people. I have two EAs that are full-time because the coworker can't do the actual representation. But I got to be honest with you, I could probably do it by myself around a million. I mean, again, I would have to lose some. To my mind, though, if you could do a million by yourself, why not do 2 million and have another like part-time couple people? What about 3 million? And by the way, for the folks listening, there is the practice, right? Getting your life back. There's maximizing the bottom line. You are building enterprise value for sale. And don't forget that if you have Canopy in place, the coworker, and everything is automated. And because I have some people going through this now, Luke, they're thinking I'll get 1.5 times EBITDA because that's how tax practices usually sell. We just got one fully automated, 3.8 times EBITDA. Why? Because anybody can run it from anywhere. It's automated. Now you don't have a practice, you're selling a business. So this is a solution that not only will help you get your life back, get everything in order, probably allow you to get rid of some other solutions because you've got a CRM, you've got the practice management, you've got resolution stuff. On top of that, I am automating this so now I can go and market this as, do you want to buy a business that generates cash just like that? Now you start adding on to that with the subscription type pricing model and all the rest. You've got the makings for a monster machine.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, if you haven't read Ron Baker's books, I highly encourage people to start there
Yep,
on billing and subscriptions and time. And it is going to require a mindset shift from I identify as a tax accountant who works 80 or 100 hours a week to I own a business, I manage a business, I direct and run a business. And
right,
that's what the value is.
right. Um, it's game changing. So guys, click the link here on the page. Go check out Canopy. Again, it is one of the most complete all-in-one solutions, and CoWorker just now takes this thing over the top.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Eric.
No, listen, thank you for taking the time, and you know what? Honestly, I gotta have you on the podcast, but we'll talk about that offline. All
I'd
right,
love to.
everyone, thanks. Click the link, check out Canopy. Where they have come and where they were is unbelievable because I watched it from beginning to now. So, thanks, Luke.
Thank you.